now. I just wanted to know I was recording that. So I made it private on YouTube. So we are the ones who's going to be exposed to it. All right. The first thing I want to show you today, all right, because we're learning a whole lot. On this session, we're learning a whole lot. Just a moment. Let me play this well. Where's my chart? Okay, I learned how to take trade on different time frames for short, for long term. Beautiful. Harmonic scanner is big, beautiful. We'll have access to it irrespective of our package. We have beautiful. Okay, I also enjoy Blue Gator. Okay, I learned the Harmonic scanner application. Okay, I learned how to take trade confidently with HFX using the Harmonic scanner for. I love this. For a 15-minute scan, can be taken for a 1 hour daily, and a 1 hour, 4 hours can be taken for a week. I learned the 00 meant daily on my daily trade. Harmonic scanner is goose, beautiful. All right, I'm not seeing any results. So you guys in trade, okay? I just want to share. I woke up this morning. I also took some trade. Just a moment. Just with the same application. This thing is powerful. So the result I got yesterday for the ones we took daily, all right? I took 7 trades on the daily, and 5 out of the 7 actually were hit target. If you think that's an amazing result, all right, I need you to type in its $ on the chart. You know, that's my own review, because I believe I took most of the trade, all right? The ones I took that ended yesterday, 7 ended yesterday, all right? About 4 are still in. So 1 was for week. I'm going to show it right now. Let me just pull up. So we know what we have in confidence. I want us to know what we have in confidence, right? Just a moment. I want to pull up something. Because when you confidently know in the present, with this what we do together, you know this is what we do together, right? It's very easy for you to understand how you can do it for yourself. So results are the best way to grow your confidence. That's why we tell you, when you practice, when you participate, and you have your own result, it increases your confidence. Just like when you do the Holy Grail and you take the trade based on the Holy Grail and you see the result, you know that you are the one that did it for yourself. All right. And it's so just give me a second. I want to pull these out. And we're going to trade today as gifting into the month. We're going to learn and trade at the same time. Okay. All right, so let me pull up what we have this morning. I believe you all can see my screen. I'm so excited. So let me show you. I also participated in trading. I woke up after next session this morning. We had some couple of wins on next session, and I decided to go to the Harmonic scanner and invest. So I invested into the day. As I'm talking to you right now, what I have traded today, all right, these are trades that I've taken today. I already have whistles, all right. These are profit into today, and they're all ending by the end of the day. All Harmonic scanner, all right. These are all today. I already have 1, 2, 3, 4, all right, out of 8 already in profit. Now, just know that between now and the end of the day. So let me show you out of yesterday's result. Okay, so let me show you what's still running from yesterday. We have trades running till on the 10th. Okay, we have trades running till on the 10th. Okay, showing more of, okay, this is 322. All right, so USD JPY profit. Okay, this is today. Some already closed. Oh, some already closed. Hold on, let me go to, hold on. So I want to show us from yesterday. Look, all right. I told you some already closed. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? These are some that are already closed today. This is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, yes, that is today's first, right? So these are trades that are that have closed today, based on the trades we took yesterday. We only had 2. All right, out of 2, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, 6 have closed, only 2, and we still have. So by the end of the day, just imagine what's going to come in. All right, these are we, so these are we, so these are we. So just imagine what's going to come in. All right, this is in profit, this is in profit, this is in profit. All right, this is in profit. What's going to come in by the end of the day? All right, so I took all this morning to end at the end of the day. Why? We have it on the Harmonic scanner. How many of you are excited about what you're seeing? You're excited. And guess what? It takes no nerve. It takes no nerve to do this, right? It takes no nerve. Like, you don't have to go back and you want to analyze, you're agitated. No, we scalped, we day trade, and we intraday. We intraday and we swinged, okay? So however you want it, you got served. Through every of the things I want everyone to know today is the power of the tools in helping you understanding the education. All right, no matter what you learn on the education, if you do not practicalize it using the tools, you're not independent. So the goal for our training, all right, what we do here is to make you mastermind the use of the tools. The tools, they work for you, right? You pay the subscription, you can come in every day and you make withdrawals. So just imagine the withdrawals within, right? Just imagine the withdrawals having 6 out of 8. You know how much percent is that, right? So just the same way it happens, we're going to go from the Harmonic scanner to the HFX tools. How many of you are ready to trade? You're ready to learn and also trade. All right, I need to type in some 777 and some $signs on the chat box. All right, you're just the same principle. Some of you would already know what we're going to do. All right. So if we start, I like to start from what we put into, all right, the long term. So I'd already taken some trades. So let's see. Look at this. This is beautiful. You can put this into your day, all right? You can put this into your day. So guess what? So one of the things I learned from yesterday, my confidence on the daily, all right, is stronger than the 1 hour. So I'm supposed to take this trade for either a 4-hour or daily. So my confidence on the daily is stronger. Why? I had more wins, right, on the daily. So this is review. That's what happens when you journal your trade. That's why I was asking, what did you experience? Because I had some losses as well, but the losses were more on the shorter ones we did, right? I know for a fact that if you leave the trade, just like the Harmonic scanner is the Harmonic scanner, from the past, you always see it always do what it does. So this is 4 hours right now. You go back in time, all right? Look, it always does what it does. If this is way like 16th, in the last 3 weeks, right? Or yeah, that's about 2 weeks. It's still in profit. If you took the trade for a week or 2, you're still in profit. Why? It's the Harmonic scanner, all right? So let's just take a look at all the trades here. If you took this trade 2 weeks ago, you're still in profit. That's 2. If you took this trade 2 weeks ago, you're still in profit. That's 3. All right. Okay, this one would have come back, all right, 2. But if you took it for the day, you would have won. All right. For the week, you would have won. Okay, so this was taken on the 19th. 19 from 19th to now is about, okay, less than 2 weeks. So if you are taking it for 2 weeks, you'd have won the trade. So just imagine the time frame we do take this trade. Imagine the win. So we take for 1 week, we take for a day. So just imagine if it's a day, you would win. You would win. If it's a week, you would win. If it's 2 weeks, you would win. There's nothing like stop loss here if you're taking it on HFX. It just have to end in the time. And there's something amazing I actually want to share with you guys. Also, I said it yesterday, and we can do it today. I wish I before the market closed yesterday, I would have actually sold my option, right? So that's 3. Okay, this is day 1. All right. If it has to do with the week, you also won the trade from on the 23 to on the 29th, all right? Okay, entry would have been maybe break even or win, all right? So 29 is here, okay? It closed, okay, maybe a break even, all right? So that is 4 wins, 1 break even. The trade is still running, or it broke even. Look, win, week, all right? That's 5. This is 6, week. All right, this is still running. USD card, one of the trades we took yesterday. Just imagine you took this trade yesterday, you'll be in deep profit for the week, right? That is what is running. I believe that's what is running for the week. Okay, USD JPY. Where's my USD card? Okay, I think I took that for maybe day. It won. It's one of the trades that we won as well. Sweatlessly. All right. Euro card. This one, boom, yesterday as well. So how many of you now know, right? So this is G card. This has been struggling here, but I still know between now and the end of the week, this trade is going to deliver, right? It's going to deliver. So I'm on it. So, but let me show you what's happening on IQ options. So we talked about the sell of options yesterday. This market is open right now. I went to my total portfolio, right? I've never done this, but you know, it's something. It said presently right now, expected profit is 3.5%. Investment is $5. I traded with $5. All right, and expected profit is what? 3.50. Profit after sale is 70%. It's telling me right now that I can sell my option. All right, I've not done it. I'm always skeptical. The first time I did it on race option, it just gave me back my money. But they say in IQ option is actually quite different. So I want to sell my option if it's giving me my. The market is open now, right? Okay, it's not showing the sell option. Why? Okay, it's supposed to show the sell option, but it's not showing it. So it's not letting me sell my option. Okay, I don't know. Wow, but it was showing yesterday. Maybe it has elapsed. Wow, but you can see the trade is far gone. All right, far gone. So here you can also, okay, on race option, you cannot get it profit. You actually get it in, anytime it gives you the same way it's showing here right now. Anytime it's blowing this whistle, it's telling you, wow, your profit is far gone. But if you click it, if you sell it, it's just going to give you your capital back. But for IQ option, if you sell your option, it's going to give you, if it's saying 50%, if it's saying 70%, which is actually the money you get, like what you're seeing here, right? If it's saying that, it means you're getting your full money 100% when you sell your options. All right. So that's one of the advantages of IQ options. And I've made a decision that I'm going to actually move, you know, some of the funds here. So because day trading, it comes with a benefit when you sell your options. All right. So you don't have to wait till the options close, the day reaches. You can actually sell it if it gives you full percent, right? Like it's done here right now, but it's not showing the option. I don't know why. All right, but I've seen it several times on some other trades. Maybe for the daily long term it doesn't, but for the intraday it does. All right, there are trades that we've taken, and you know, at least my wife did it. She sold her option, but it wasn't complete, and they gave her the percentage that was reading here. So you'll be seeing the percentage moving, increasing, but now it's full, so it's not moving. It's full, but here you'll be seeing it moving. So you can actually exit with whatever you think it's available onto you. All right, did you guys get that? So that's one of the things that happens in IQ options that we've not taken advantage of, and I'm willing to start taking advantage on it, on the platform, you know, because of that. So going back to trading, all right, G card is giving another position right now. All right, E card, we're already in E card, is way in profit. So today trade have not been renewed. I like to take the trade that is at D. All right. So in 4 hours, we don't have any activity. So let's go to 1 hour, right? Let's see what we have in 1 hour. So what do we say? If the trade comes on 1 hour, you take it for the day, all right? And you can actually extend it to the week, day, week. Now, that's really my option, day, week. If I see the strength, I might want to take it for maybe 1 hour or 4 hours. But day, week is really the best option, right? So 1 hour EJ is new. Ooh, EJ is new on 1 hour. All right. So you can actually take this for the day. And one of the things you can do also, don't. That's my okay. I forgot. Actually, I left something yesterday. I would have made a whole lot of money on my forex, but because of training, I couldn't take the trade. Only about two trades I took on forex. All hit take profit just by taking the trade, putting the stop loss, and putting the take profit. I actually got take profit too from eCard, right? And USD card. Look at eCard. All right, look, eCard take profit too. I got it. All right, USD card, I got it as well. USD card is still running. All right, USD card is still running, just like we saw. So you take this trade on both platforms, both HFX. Look at USD card. It hit take profit too, and it's still running. We took it yesterday, both on HFX and Forex. I took it on HFX and Forex. So as we are seeing this new trade now, all right, if you're on Forex, EJ, all right, is good for a sell. Sell it into the day. Okay, EJ, let me see if I'm already on EJ. Okay, I'm already on EJ. You can see it's blowing me whistle right now. All right, I'm already on EJ. Okay, it's going to close at the end of the day. So if you're not in it, you can actually get on that one. All right, EJ. So I'm going to go take it on Euro JPY. So let me look. I might not want to take it in any shorter time frame. But let me see. This is Euro, this is JPY. You can take it for, let's say, for 3 hour rule, 3 hours candle. All right. Excuse me. Just for the purpose of training, yeah, I'll take it for 3 hours. That's intraday. I'm going to use a low risk because I'm already on that one. All right. So 3 hours would be, what's the time right now? Okay, that's approximately 12. Okay, so I'm going to sell to 12. That's 3 hours. I'm already on it daily. So you can take it for 3 hours and daily. It's good. All right. That's 3 candle rules and daily. Powerful. You can see JPY is strong. So why are we taking the trade? The harmonics, all right, always favor it's below the floor. Now I'm taking the trade just because I know TP1, it's a strong floor and it has broken that strong floor. So it ought to sell. Why is it going to sell? Presently now, the sentiment is favoring JPY. It means the quote is stronger than the base, right? So that favors the sell. Then ultimately, the scanner is saying sell, right? So it's a powerful one to go there. So that is why I'm selling EJ 3 hours and daily. I'm already on daily, so I actually took 3 hours right now. Shadow me if you can, but always follow your proper risk management. Always follow your proper risk management. So some of you that didn't take the trade yesterday, all right, guess what? You had no results because you did not take the trade. I appreciate you learned, right? But see, if you always shadow the educators, do what they tell you to do, follow proper risk management, risk what you're supposed to risk, you're going to get results, right? AUD it's a buy. Okay, it's choppy. It's actually choppy. I'm actually on it, right? But it's choppy. So I believe by the end of the day, we're going to close in. I really don't like the choppiness. Okay, this is GBP USD. It was called for a sell. I believe GBP is still having its momentum. GBP USD. All right, on the sentiment, GBP is still having its momentum. All right, but let's look at the technical to see what GBP USD would do. We still have 3 days to go between now and the end of the week. So presently now, I'm not looking at day because GBP might still be having its momentum at day. You know, I told you can also take the 1 hour for week, right? So let's look at GBP USD. And you guys to pay attention to this. That's why I'm recording this session. You should. Oh, GBP USD, it's supposed to sell. We are in an ultimate downtrend. All right. So look at this. Okay, we are in an ultimate downtrend. This is a break of structure and a retest. So this is a, no, I don't think it's up yet, right? So look at this. Yeah. You know, this is an ultimate downtrend. Okay. Excuse me, hold on. All right, sorry. So I know for shorty, if GBP has this momentum, right, it's going to break somewhere because it's going to continue on the trend. It's in a major trend right now. It's been trending for weeks, right? And this is actually a break. It broke from this structure and is retesting this level of structure right now. And the Harmonic is calling for itself. Harmonic is calling for itself for a continuation of a downtrend. Doesn't that fit? So for me, that fits. So I can sell this into, I may pick it for the day and pick it for the week, but majorly I want to put it for the week because in the weekly move, it's been trending down, right? So I'd want to set GBP USD for the week first. And I think I'm already in a, okay, I'm already in GBP USD. So I'm not going to take it for the day. I'm just going to invest in it for the week, right? Okay, GBP USD. I'm going to trade it for the week. That will be long-term trading. The week is going to end. Today is first. It's going to end on the 3rd. That's 3 days. Okay, that's good. All right. Watch how we're taking the trade. All right. So I found a major zone around that area. Have this momentum up because of the sentiment of the day. That's fine. But you know, eventually, just like what the Harmonic scanner does, eventually it's going to fall. Respecting the trend. 3 most important things is what? Trend, support, resistance, and price action. Price action has shown us this market is trending down, right? So this is higher high, lower high, lower high. All right, it's going to create a lower high. It might actually make a pull, struggle with this zone back here. That's fine. Okay, it's good. It might struggle with this. It's fine because why? We have a floor here. We have a floor here. We have a ceiling here, right? It might do that for the day's momentum, but that's okay for it. In 3 days, it's going to definitely work. So let me see what's happening. So you're watching the analysis. Don't just, even in daily, it's falling. So you can see, all right, this is a sell trend. No doubt, it's a sell trend. So that's my analysis on this one, on GU, USD JPY. We already caught that yesterday and it's not been updated. It's an old trade. But you see, we caught it yesterday. It's part of the trade we won on daily, all right, and 1 hour. Okay, we're already on G card. And this trade is so arrogantly going to win. I know for a fact. I know for a fact G card right now is having its momentum on the 1 hour. Okay, GBP card. Harmonic is favoring the buy. GBP is strong as well as card. So this is dragging. This is dragging, and I know in the next couple of hours. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do it's a buy candle right now. I'm going to do the 3 candle rule for 3 hours, right? Okay, that's G card. I just know I don't want to miss on this G card because I've invested a lot. I've won about a couple. So I'm already on the trade as well. G card, and is in profit for the day. So I want to take it for the 3 candle rule. That will be intraday because I know when it's having its momentum. So I want to close at 12. That will be 12. Okay, let's have that one by 12 o'clock. Okay. So these are old trades. Some of you have missed out. Look at what Euro AUD did. Euro AUD from yesterday, boom, complete. All right. You had won the day. So these are already old. So this gives you an idea that this thing works if you follow it, right? You just need to understand the time frame that works for you. But this thing, Harmonic scanner, you know what I just understood, all right? If we really play well on the Harmonic scanner, just imagine you waking up around 6 o'clock in the morning and you have about 20 trades and you took 20. Imagine if you get 16 out of the 20, where would your account be? All right, can you guess it? With your minimum risk. Imagine having 70% or 75% or 80% with the Harmonic scanner, all right, by following it day. Because the truth is what it is. This scanner gives 70%, 75% to 90% accurate. Yesterday we took the trade. We just did a review of the trade we took yesterday. And 95% of the trades went the direction. All right. So no, if you guys don't understand what I'm saying, let's see what happened yesterday. So this is NZD card. Let's look at the time of yesterday. All right, this wasn't yesterday. This was on the 26th. So let's look at the trade. I believe from G card, E card yesterday. E card was yesterday. Look, right? This is 29th, right? So we traded from on 29th to 30th, which is day before yesterday. Now look, all right. So we entered this trade. It was called on the 29th. We entered yesterday. Was this trade a win or not? Type in yes, or just put 1 on the chart if it was a win. So just review from yesterday trades that were called. Put in 1. It's not showing. Can you guys see my screen? Okay, good. It's showing. So this is 1 from yesterday. All right. Type in 2 if this one won. So imagine you took it for day. Did it win? Type in 2. Right? I need you guys to be fast with me. We are trading and we are learning as well. Type in 2 if this one. Everyone is not participating. What's happening? Type in 2 if this one. So this is the second trade. Type in 2 if this one. Right? G card also yesterday. All right? So we took this trade yesterday. If you took it for the day, all right? So this was yesterday. If you took it for the day, did you win? All right? Apparently, some of you would win depending on where you took it. So this, hold on. I won. Look, all right? So this was 30th yesterday. And guess what? This is first. If you took it around entry, you are winning around. So anything from here, good. So the day ended around here. Did you win? Type 3 if you want. This is 30th. The day ended around, this is first. Did you win? Yes. Type in 3. Type in 3. Okay, good. USDJPY. This was yesterday, 30th. The day ended around here. Did you win? Type in 4. Good. GBP USD, I believe this one is today. Okay. This was also early. This was early morning, right? So this trade is still running. Okay. This is early morning because I saw this trade this morning. Okay. I saw it this morning. So we didn't take this yesterday, right? But I saw, but even if it was yesterday and you took it for a day, it would have ended where? On the 1st. All right. But this trade I saw today. Okay. So these trades are today. We are taking this trade for today. AUDNZ I also saw. All right. I also took it today. But guess what? If it was yesterday, you took the trade, which it was 20th, it was early morning, 30th, 21 was early morning, late in the night, right? If you are taking it and you took it for a day, so by 21 today, which is 11 o'clock, 21 will be 9 o'clock, all right? It's going to be the end of the day, right? If you take it for a day. Are you in profit if you took this trade? Put in 5. If you're in profit, you took this trade, put in 5. You took this trade when it was called, all right, and you took it for a day. If you are in profit, put in 5. So tell me, no analysis needed. This is actually a trade right now, and it's running, it's blowing me whistle, right? You're in profit. This is 6. From yesterday to today, 6 trades shown by the Harmonic scanner. 6 trades shown by the Harmonic scanner. It's in what? 5 have won, 4 have won, 2 in profit. Is that a good lifestyle for a trader? Do you think this tool gives you a good lifestyle for a trader? All you just need to do is come at D, take the trade, all right? Put in daily. If you have done that for this trade, so yeah, we started yesterday and we had significant win yesterday. Just imagine what would your 10x challenge look like, right? What would your 10x challenge look like? What would your account look like? All right. Every day you're winning on both sides. You're winning long term and you're winning also following educators. You're also winning using the web slinger. Just imagine, how would your day look like? Nobody in the team should be struggling. Oh, I don't know what's happening. I'm not making money in trading. If you're connected, just imagine how many of you connected yesterday and you're practicing this already, seeing what we're doing. How is it going to look like for you? All right. How is your lifestyle going to look like? This is easy to tell someone. This is easy to show someone. All right. I've always known the Harmonic scanner is one of the best tools that have happened for, all right, to the I Am Mastery Academy. And guess what? Trading is working for HFX. Majority of you are on HFX. We just showed you how the Harmonic scanner is working for you. HFX. We didn't just show you, we traded with you and we got the results. And everyone has Harmonic scanner. Is there anyone in this team who shouldn't be winning? Yes or no? Right? Is there anyone in this team who shouldn't be winning with this? You don't need training for this. You just need taking. You just wake up 6 o'clock. It's a good time to get on your Harmonic scanner, right? 6 o'clock is a good time. Very good time. 6:45 is a very good time. Wake up 6:45. Wherever you see the scan, get on the trade, whether Forex or HFX, right? Whether Forex or HFX. It's powerful. So powerful. Okay. During the New York sessions, new trades are going to be unveiled as well. 1:45. Get on the trade. So I said 15 minutes, you can take it for 1 hour and daily. So let's see what's happening on the 15 minutes. It might be your network, sir. This trade is confused, and I don't know where its confusion is coming from. The scanner is confused right now, or is it loading? Okay, I can't see. Oh, this is a good. It's a NZD card. Okay, NZD card has been called for sale, so I'm going to take it for 1 hour and daily. All right. NZD card I'm going to take for one. That's what we do on 15 minutes. 1 hour. Oh shit, we don't have NZD card on. We don't have NZD card on HFX. All right. So Forex, I'll dive right into it on Forex. So now I'm not taking it. I'm just going to put the stop loss and put it take profits. That's what I was going to do on 15 minutes. Forex. No, simple. It's just simple. Put stop loss, put take profit, allow it to run. Because if the Harmonic scanner is always delivering, all you just need to do is participate, right? Participate. Okay, this is 15 minutes. Okay, I do that on the one. I only take the listen on the 1 hour. Okay, I only take Forex on 1 hour. I don't take on 15 minutes. Okay, I take HFX. So this is NZD card. We don't have it. Or does any one of you have NZD card on your HFX platform? All right, it's not. It's NZD card on IQ. I'm not sure. NZD card. No, I mean, it's not. All right. It's not NZD JPY, NZD card is not. I only say NZD USD. Okay, but all right. So it's not there. So we're not taking this AUD card. Okay, it's on only trade. So some of you have only trade. Boom, you got it. All right. You can go take it. The same thing, take it. All right, sorry. My network did the same thing again. Now I have to do. Just a moment, please. What's going on? Okay, just a moment, please. And these guys are very, very. You can hear me loud and clear now. That one wasn't strong enough. I had to leave. How about now? Just testing. I just want to know. How about now? Is the glow on? Using my phone. The phone. I think my phone is the strongest. But I just hope. Okay, good. All right. Sorry for network disruption. It's where we live. It's Nigeria. All right. Against. Okay. Okay. Using my phone network now. So where were we? Exactly where were we? I didn't know where I yanked off, right? So help me, please. Put it on the chat. What we're talking about. So I believe I was on AUD card, right? I believe I was on AUD card. It's already made a good move. It's a sell trend. This is this is still good for the day, but the reason I'm not going to take it is so short. If it comes to TP3, it might have a rejection backward. So even in the day, right, it might go down, but eventually start coming up because it's choppy. You can see it's choppy. So it has every probability of you losing the day, because if it comes back to this floor, it's a major floor. Hard year rejection, hard year rejection, hard year rejection. So you can come to the and have a rejection and stay in this area, all right? And stay in this area. So I'm not just going to jump into this. I want to see what's clear. It's a sell trend, so eventually it would. USD JPY is already gone, right? Early hours of this morning called for a sell. Just a few minutes ago, called for a sell. Look at it. It's done very well, all right? And it's still in profit. So we don't have any trade fresh on the 15 minutes right now, unless we probably look at other okay, this is on okay. This is Euro GBP. Okay. Euro GBP is on its entry. All right. Euro GBP. This is a 15 minutes. So we want to look at it. What will happen? I like when it's 15 minutes, I like to take a look at the sentiment. This Euro, this GBP. Guess what? What's supposed to be happening, ladies and gentlemen? Type on the chat. All right. See this Euro, this GBP. Let me refresh. Because now we're looking at shorter time frame. We're trading more on sentiment. All right. When you're trading more on shorter time frame, you look at sentiment. Okay. So you guys agree it's going to be selling. So why should he buy? All right. It's only when you see that technicality, all right, applies. So I'm not just going to sell this immediately right now, buy this immediately. Why? The sentiment is pulling. Why? It's presently in a ceiling. So this is the previous floor. Let me make it black. So you can see this is the previous floor that is at. It's broken the floor. Yes, this place is also a floor, but I wouldn't want to jump. So we have another floor here. Okay, so I wouldn't want to jump into this trade till maybe this trade comes here, but right now it's not my buy. It's not my buy. I would want to see during the day if it goes above this line, right? If it goes above this line, I can pick it for a buy for the day, all right? And ultimately, this is a buy trend, so it's good. All right, so we're seeing this is a buy trend, but it made a major upward movement and it's coming back to those what regions. So you don't want to just jump into this trade for a buy right now, even if the Harmonic scanner is calling it for a buy. You don't want to. Okay, you don't want to. You want to wait for it's pulling. So this is a quick move. So I will buy only when it's above. So you can put these lines down. 569. So you can put it down. I'll go to my IQ options. That's what pair, Euro GBP. Okay, so I'm going to pick Euro GBP 569. Do we have it here? All right. I'm
We seem to have lost our host again. Please let's be patient. I'm sure you'll soon sort out the issue. This is Dr. Nodikwe speaking. Please, if you can hear me, type a 777. Okay, thank you very much. So we're trying to reestablish connection. Please be patient. That will be sorted out very soon. Mr. Obi, you can unmute yourself, please. Come in. Mr. Obi, please, you can unmute yourself.
All right.
Okay.
Excellent morning, everyone. What a wonderful session. I think we all know Mr. Henry is having difficulties with his network. So, but I believe everyone is learning something this morning. If you've learned something this morning, put a 777 on the chat. If you've learned something. But if you took the Euro JPY, it should be clearing if you took it on 1 hour. How many of you took the Euro JPY? Even NZD card, all are in profit. 2 trade, 2-0. If you took it on 1 hour, it should have cleared. So all this is you know, I always tell people the value we have here is something else. Is something else. You know, we have people come and say, there's a place you can learn it cheaper. It's not about price, it's about value. Do they have the value that we have here? Look at, you know, just using Harmonic scanner. Just using Harmonic scanner, you are trading binary with it with ease. You can pick 2, 3, 4 trades a day, and you are super fine, super fine. You know, remember the goal is 5% a day. You know, don't be over trading. So for some of you, maybe you don't short trade, do your shake your heart. You can resort to the longer ones. But if you have some of us, the short trade push our adrenaline up, you know, it surges it. You know, we just love it. You know, you can, you know, make your choice. That's what life is about. They say life is choices. So you have this platform, make your choice and win big. You know, some places they call trade for you, but I always say I've never seen anybody, you know, become a 7-figure trader with Signal. So here you learn how to do it. So over to you, Mr. Kenfrey. I think he's back. Over to you.
Thank you very much, sir. In fact, you know, sometimes this network can get you frustrated. But we are here. I appreciate everyone who's patient enough. I just heard Mr. Onadikbe said GCAD is blowing whistle right now. All right, how many of you on profit on GCAD? It's one of the trades we also took. Look at that boy. All right. Look at that boy. Okay. And just imagine what's going to happen between now and the end of the day. I have no doubt. Right? I have no doubt. Okay, look at G card. Where is G card? All right, look at it. Okay, it's in profit. Look at it. It's in profit. It's in profit. Profit is blowing whistle. EJ is blowing whistle. All right, AUDNZ is in profit right now. Guess what? Just imagine how many trades are in profit right now, ladies and gentlemen. Where are you going to have this? We have how many trades running? This 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Out of the 10, we only have 2. 1, 2, 3. That is negative for now. Look what's happening. Anytime you're seeing anytime you're seeing this, just know, right? Anytime I'm seeing this, I know by the end of the day, we're going to have 90%. If you think this is amazing, please, can you type in a 7-7? You don't need training. I don't think anyone needs training. Is anyone here who wants to ask how I do this? What we're doing right now? You want to ask how you're going to do this? Is there anyone here? All right. There should be no one. You don't need to ask how you're going to do this. Just take the trade. You don't need to analyze. The scanner is with you. You paid for it. Imagine some of you are going to make your subscription money every single day. If you believe within yourself that with this, all right, you're confident, you want to drive in that confidence on making your subscription every single day, right? I need you to type in an 888 in the chat. I'm so excited. All right, I'm so excited. We can keep taking trades on and on. See, that is one of the things I've made a decision to do, right? If I give myself 2 hours to trade, I'm going to launch full with this full time. I'm going to leave my trade to work for me. Then I'm going to go build. And with what I have, I can show my people that see, all you need to do is to stay connected. Get connected to our system. We can show you how you can 10x your account within the space of 50. I will say it confidently. Just imagine I'm doing a presentation today and I want to show you how it's working. Just imagine, and I take you to my chart. If you are the prospect and I take you here and I show you this, I'm making money. Are you going to be inspired to join? Just be honest, all right? Type in a 111 on the chat. Okay, that's what you need. Now you have it. Go do it, get the result, and launch your people in. Okay, launch them in. Look at GBP is on a spike right now. GBP is on a spike. Okay, I'm not just quickly going to jump into this. Anytime I see this thing on Ghana Trader, it's new. Anytime it's new, it's always. But look, GBP AUD, watch this. All right, watch this. I don't quickly jump on GBP pairs unless look, this is fast. This is fast moving. I think GBP is having its momentum. All right. GBP is having its momentum. Look. And whenever a pair is having, this is GBP, this card, so definitely it's having its momentum. Whenever a GBP pair is having a momentum, the first thing, that's one caution. Don't just jump. Don't jump quickly into GBP pairs when they are having their momentum, right? Like this one now is having a momentum. The Harmonic scanner is calling for a sell. Why is it calling it for a sell? Because it's in a major ceiling, all right? I know it's in a major ceiling doesn't mean I should just jump in. I want to wait till it cools off. So if it's cooling off and I see a significant red candle, I'm going to sell it for the day. All right, because it's still on a downtrend. The Harmonic scanner has picked it for a sell. It's a good one. Okay, so it might start selling right now. So the best way to actually take this trade for gain, this is GBP AUD. GBP AUD, they are not far. So they just gave us another trade for the day. This 15 minutes, GBP AUD, they are not far, all right, but GBP is moving. So I might not be present in the movement. I might not be present. We have 5 whistles right now. Boom! What? Guess what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whoa! All right. GBP AUD. How many of you are excited? I'm going to leave it for the day. I'm not going to take it on 3-hour candle or whatsoever. I'm just going to leave it for the day. GBP AUD. All right. That's for the whole day. For the sell, the whole day, right? I'm going to leave it at 0, 0, 0. Okay, so I picked that for the whole day. All you just need to do, practice proper risk management. If you break your what you want to commit in the day, so let's say you have $100 and your goal is not to lose more than 10%. Break 10% into 10, $1 in 10 places. Launch out, all right? It's going to pay you. Okay, GBP/AUD is new. All right, this is gone. So it's another, it's just called a new trade. GBP/AUD is new, and I just got it for the day. All right. So that's that on the Harmonic. How many of you are excited about the Harmonic? This is one gift we have in the system. How many of you are excited? I'm excited just because it takes away many of the guesswork. They're trying to know when I will enter. It does take it away, right? All I just need to do, understand the proof of the Harmonic scanner. You go back, you see the proof. Leave it for the day. Out of every 10, you should get 7. So if I know that's the proof of the Harmonic scanner, what I just need to do in a day, just get good 10 trades, right? Get on those trades, and I know I will harvest 7. Just like you're seeing in front of you right now. This is no lie. All right, this is no lie. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Out of 11 trades, 9 are winning right now. What else do you need? Okay, what else do you need? GBP/AUDs, all right? What else do you need? Any questions in the chat about the Harmonic scanner? Because I don't see anyone losing out on this, right? No one should lose out on this. I'm so excited right now. Okay, any question on the Harmonic scanner? All right. So how many of you are ready to launch out with the Harmonic scanner and take your trading to a new level? Type in 777 in the chat. All right, type in 777 in the chat. You're ready to take your trading to another new level. All right, this bring caution, this bring ease, this bring control, this bring discipline. All right, it brings management. The Harmonic scanner, it does that. So you can see we have pure management. You don't need to, oh, let me look. Yeah. Let me look when I'm going. No. Just take it for the 15 minutes. The rule is 15 minutes. You can take it in what? 1 hour, which extends to 3 candle rule. And also, the reason I'm not taking GA right now, GBP is having its momentum. Okay, it's having its momentum, but I take it in a day. The day is the landing page. So. In fact, I can't say I'm really. Man, I have to now switch. I don't know what's happening. My best network is the one that is the only one working right now, which is my phone network, and it's cutting off. I've not experienced it like this. All right, I have 3 networks that are actually on paid, but they're all messy, right? And my phone network that actually the last resort, it just cuts off, and when it cuts off, it doesn't come back until I off and on again. I don't understand, but it's all well and good. I'll just, for the record of, the slow, the get off, the comebacks, we just stick to the Harmonic scanner today, right? But I think it's powerful enough for the lesson we have to get today. All right. I believe what we've learned so far is powerful enough. We already got an opportunity to trade, all right, but also learn from. I just hope I'm not gone again, right? Can you guys hear me loud and clear? So because of the network, I'm bringing this meeting short for a close so that I don't get to always keep you there waiting. Some of you are already in the trade. Some of you, if you're in profit, you've traded, you joined us, you're trading, right, and you're in profit, can you type in a $sign on the chat box? Okay, a new trade just got called again on the 15 minutes. Right? A new trade just got called again on the 15th. So you can see what the Harmonic scanner does. It brings trades for us. All right. And what I do when a new trade is called, you don't jump in when it's new. You don't just jump in. You want to look at the sentiment. All right. So presently now, this is Euro, this is USD. Ladies and gentlemen, the sentiment is still going to fall, right? It's still going to fall. But the Harmonic is telling you it's in a region where it's going to buy. So that's going to happen in the course of the day. That's why I love my daily trading. All right. Guess what? It's going to still, it might still fall to this floor. I don't need a soothsayer to see. If it still happens, momentum, it might fall. Where it is right now is a floor. So Harmonic scanner is calling it for a buy because it's in a floor. The floor, right? This is a floor. You take it back, that's in it. Wow, guess what? The next candle open up and it's a buy candle. The next candle open is a buy candle. We just finished. Okay, it's still the same candle. All right. Why? Because it reacted to that floor. So what I'm going to just do is I'm going to put it in the day. Euro USD, I'm going to put it in the day. All right. Hold on. See, this is why I love the Harmonic scanner, right? So I have an opportunity to trade it for 1 hour and also have an opportunity to trade it in a day. I don't just jump into the 1 hour because I'm seeing that we still have an opportunity to fall to this floor. When it's around this floor, guess what? The Harmonic is going to pursue it back. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take it for the day. Because at the end of the day, it will. All right, just to add it to what I have, right? Euro USD for a buy. See that I'm going low risk because I'm doing what? The whole. I'm taking it to 0, 0, 0. Okay, and that is a buy. So this is it. This is what you do. This is what you learn from. The more you do it, the more you're going to learn from it, right? I'm not taking, you can say, now I'm not taking any off. I'm not taking, Just a moment, please. All right. I'm not taking the daily. The reason I'm not taking the hourly is because this might still push down, and I don't want to put it. So daily is okay. All right. That's a new trade from the Harmonic scanner. All right. So always check for new scans. Put it in the day. Just imagine if you have 10 trades running for you. 10 trades running for you. Okay. Wow. So we have how many trades? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Out of the 11 trades, all right, only 1, 2, 9 are in profit. 5 are in whistle. Oh, we're gonna be rich. If you believe that, type in 777 in the chat. All right. I want to leave you guys at this point in time. We've learned a lot. That's how easy it is. All right. Give room for your scanner to work for you. All you just need to do, follow proper risk management. Don't be greedy. Follow proper risk management. All right. Just because it's working, you're seeing 9, just so you know, trades are still running. All right. Trades are still running. Okay, we still have trades running. Hold on. Okay, this is. All right, let me go to, I want to show you something on the 10th. All right, if I bring it to on the 10th, you can see trades are still running. Can you guys see? So this is 2. So we have how many trades here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, and we still have 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, right? 13 trades are running in profit out of 1, 2, 3. Okay, and 4. Out of 17 trades, 13 are running in profit. Guess how many are blowing whistle? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How best can you want it? Right? How best can you want it? I appreciate everyone for being on the call this morning. I believe you've gotten value. We are in for something big. You can see what's happening to Euro USD. It's amazing right now. It's taking its momentum backwards, and we are in profit on that one. Woo! All right. So without no, I actually ask you guys, if you have any question on the Harmonic scanner, we're closing on the Harmonic scanner today. All right. How do I convert the timing of the Harmonic scanner to the HFX timing, sir? Is that a question? How do you convert the time? How do you convert the time? I'm trying to think where I put that question. How do you convert the timer? It's just simple. If you're taking a 1 hour, like I just said, this is the whole day, right? Whatever platform that you have, if it's a whole day, you don't convert time. Time is time, all right? 1 o'clock is 1 o'clock universal, just maybe the time zone. So the whole day means what? You come here, you pick intraday, all right? 0000 means the first hour, all right? The close of 24 hours into a new day, that's 000. So when you go to intraday, you pick that 000, all right? It means that's for the whole day, all right? If you go to turbo, you pick turbo, if it's 15 minutes, turbo, you see what? Between 1 minute to 30 minutes, all right? You don't need to convert time. So if I say take the trade for 1 hour, all right, what it means is you can't find it in turbo, you go to intraday. So intraday, 1 hour means, all right? So if I click here right now, 1 hour means the time presently is 10, all right? So 1 hour means 11 o'clock is another 1 hour. That's about 49 minutes. That's the 1 hour. It's giving you that option. 12 o'clock means 2 hours. 13 o'clock, that's one. All right? So it's the same time. The 11, all right, that's the same time. Does that make sense? Does that answer your question, iPhone? Okay, how do I know whether 15 minutes, 1 hour, or day before taking a trade, sir? How do I know whether 15 minutes, 1 hour, or day? It's just simple. You go to the Harmonic scanner. That's what we've been demonstrating since, right? If you're on 15, how do you know 15 minutes? Okay, good. If you're on the Harmonic scanner, sorry. Okay, some of you are new. Some of you are on HFX, you don't know the Harmonic scanner. Okay, all right. When you launch the Harmonic scanner, you see M15 means 15 minutes. M30 means 30 minutes. All right. 1 hour, 4 hours, and daily. Okay. So this is 15 minutes. By default, it's always on 15 minutes or 30 minutes. So you have to pick. All right. This, if I click here now, it's going to go to 30 minutes. 30 minutes is showing me what? Other pairs, right? 1 hour is showing me. So do you see? So you can pick the time frame. Does that answer your question, trillionaire length? Okay. Does that answer your question? So that's how you know the time frame on the Harmonic scanner. I believe that was your question. All right. Okay, good. Do we have any other question? Everybody should win. So if you have any area of gray area of understanding, you're free to ask now. Can we trade 15 minutes always on 1 hour? No, I don't. Okay. Okay, let me understand the question again. Can we trade 15 minutes always on the 1 hour and 1 day? No. If I'm using 1 hour on the Harmonic scanner, I pick 1 day, all right? First as priority. Second priority, weekly, all right? Then I can add maybe the 3 candle rules. I can take it for 3 hours. The minimum I would take in 1 hour trade based on what we're building up right now, the minimum I would take in 1 hour trade is 3 hours now. Okay. The minimum I'll take a 15 minutes trade, all right, is 1 hour. You can practice it on 15 minutes. It's okay. All right. But I don't want to do something that my mind is now, I did it yesterday. You saw we traded 1 hour yesterday because I told you the ones I lost the most were those short ones. But all the ones we took for the day, you saw we had the win. All right. So I really want us to put in patience here. Patient pays. So if I'm trading the 15 minutes trade scan, okay, I'm trading it priority day. Okay. But minor priority, I can take it for the 3 candle rule, which is what, 45 minutes, and 45 minutes is actually 1 hour. Okay, I can take it on 1 hour, but priority day, priority on 1 hour day. All right. Second priority, week. Priority on 4 hours, week. Okay. Priority on 4 hours is week. Second priority, day. You guys should write this down so that you can use it. Second priority on 4 hours is day, but priority is week. Second priority, first priority on 1 hour is day. Second priority, week. First priority on 15 minutes is day. Second priority, 1 hour. Does that make sense? Type in a 777 in the chat. Okay. Type in a 777 in the chat if that's good and clear. Type in clear if it's clear, right? So I know today, yeah, 15 minutes day. Put the day first, the day. Let the priority be the day first. Then 1 hour, second priority. Okay. Let me be very honest. I've never had trading with ease. With this strategy we just learned right now, trading comes with ease. You see it is in front of you. Trading comes with ease, right? In front of you. Sooner or later, Euro USD is going to blow whistle. It's round. You can see it's dusted. It's off that zone, Euro USD. All right. I appreciate everyone for being on with me. I want to show you how you make money. All right. We have proof. Explore. All right. Everything that I do with love. I appreciate you, sir. I believe you said a few things. I don't know if you want to close this meeting with. I'm off. Am I off? The call just came in. I don't know if it cut me off. So you can close the call, sir, in case I'm off. All right. If you have anything to close the call, can you guys still hear me? Hello, sir. All right. You can actually close the call.
Yes, I can hear you. Excellent, excellent. Morning, everyone. Afternoon, wherever you are joining. I hope we all learned something today. But remember, later on tonight or this evening, we have our regular presentations. Everyday presentation is just to help everyone scale up. It's just to help you really move to the next level. So plan to have guests on those presentations for 4:30, 7:30, 9 p.m. and tonight or early tomorrow morning. We'll be having a big event with Millie Mills. I hope you are inviting for it. Millie Mills. So set your alarm, plan to be there, invite every single person you know to those amazing meetings